All right, the numbers are in for Splash in Panama City Beach for 2020 or first quarter of 2024. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. If you may or may not have seen, this is sort of a series now of first quarter reviews. I have recorded one video to watch that gives you a really intense overview of all the markets in Panama City Beach, starting with the Gulf Front market and moving into the detached single family market. But there's a lot of analysis on a couple charts. We talk about this months of inventory chart a lot. You've heard me explain this a lot. This is a different version of the same thing to talk about how much pricing can go up or down related to this number. I've said a lot of times, the longer we are in seller market territory, the more you would expect to see price appreciation. The longer we're in buyer market territory, the more you would expect to see price depreciation. I ran across this chart here to give you some idea of some numbers to give you some sense of how much money we're talking about. So if you want that detailed explanation, check out the other video. This is just for Splash to run through some numbers to get real specific on the market in there for people who care to check out Splash. I included a few things this time, a little bit different than I normally do it. We're going to look at what units are for sale, of course, what is pending right now, and what is sold all in the first quarter. We're also going to include units that were on the market that have come off of the market that didn't sell. They'll come up as either expired or canceled or temporarily off the market. If we look at all of those statuses, it'll help us understand what is happening in that market. And hopefully if you watch at least the first half of that other video, by then you'll really get a sense of what's going on and why it's pretty interesting, quite different than it's been in a number of years, probably 15 plus years. So starting with one bedrooms, we did have a closing at 410,000. You'll see a lot of actives, 429,000, 429,900. Encouraging here, two more one bedrooms pending, 435 and 437,500. Unit canceled that had been asking 445, for sale from 447 to 459. Another unit expired, meaning it's off the market, had been asking 459. Now you're getting to some units 462, 464.5, 464.9 that are still for sale, of course. 495 had been for sale and was canceled. 504,900 had been for sale and expired. Getting into two bedrooms, for sale at 580 and 584. Units that had been canceled at 585 and 605. Pending sale at 610,000. Canceled, still same floor plan, had been asking 649. Other floor plans temporarily off the market, 705. For sale at 769,800, and another one that had come off the market at 775. No three-bedroom activity in the first quarter at all. So a couple of things interesting to point out here. And one sale of a one-bedroom, two that are pending, one pending two-bedroom. If we look at what is on the market and came off the market, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units that were for sale that didn't sell. So really digest that first part of that other video to understand where I think prices are headed. And especially for those of you selling right now, that'll help you get positioned correctly. It's a really interesting market right now. I hope this helps. If you have any questions on your specific situation, give me a call, shoot me a text, 850-290-0417, or shoot me an email, craig@durangroupfl.com. Thanks for watching.